Hello ma'am, I am Charvi Elvi Cortez and this is my final activity 7, lesson 29, password lock. So this is the code. So first we have the libraries. So this line includes necessary libraries. Kaya siya handle ni siya og keypad inputs kani kay yang yellow ang I2C communication kani yang i-controls the IC2 LCD display. Tapos dere mo ni atong LCD setup yung initialize a 16:2 LCD with I2C address 0/27. Tapos dere mo ni atong set pin 3 to control a relay. Tapos kani mo na tong keypad setup, so it defines a 4x4 keypad layout with buttons 1 to 9, A to D. Tapos it specify which Arduino pins connects to the keypad rows and column. So next we have the kani siya muna itong password and variables. So kani muna itong correct password, tapos kani the remaster ato ang user input storage. Tapos muna itong keypad initialization. Tapos it creates a keypad object using the defined layout and pins. Next, let's move on to the void setup. So there is atong void setup yang initialize ang LCD, relay, and serial communication. Tapos it display a welcome message and prompts the user to press the stress to begin. So dire natay loop, void loop. So inside sa void loop natay function yang tawagon minti ang read key repeatedly to monitor the keypad. So muna itong function read key. So dire muna itong keypad input handling. So kung may press ang stress yang mo reset niya ang input and starts the password entry. So kung gani mo niya siyang i-press, i-check if the entered code is correct. Tapos if correct gali siya, unlock siya for 2 seconds. Tapos kung wrong siya, it shows an error sa atong LCD. So, oro to.